My father was an electrician for over 40 years. He taught me a lot, and his influence led me to diagnosis in the car field. Ever since I was young, I loved cars, the sound of them, the speed, and everything I can do with them always piqued my interest. As I grew older, my passion for cars only intensified, and after high school, I went to Lincoln Technical Institute in New Jersey and earned several ASE certifications after that course and a certification from them as well. This is why I chose to specialize in diagnosing electrical issues in the vehicle, as my father was an electrician for so long. In this ever-changing industry, continuous learning is essential for me. I'm always trying to learn more and more. I love my job. I enjoy working on all the electrical systems and helping people with their normal, every day-to-day lives. Without a car, it's really hard to go to work or even do simple things like grocery shopping. I also ensure vehicle safety, so issues like brake failure or tire blowouts don't lead to injuries, problems the customers might not even know about until we tell them. I once worked on a 2012 Mercedes C100 that wouldn't start. It was previously diagnosed as an ESL issue, and parts like the ESL, front SAM module, EIS, and batteries were replaced, but the problem continued. A month later, the customer came to me. I checked the key in the system and found that the steering lock was improperly installed and not programmed correctly. After reinstalling and programming the lock using the Phoenix Smart and T-Ninja box, the vehicle started normally. I also fixed an electrical issue which helped them pass their vehicle inspection. The car had been in and out of shops for 6 months, but no one could fix it. The customer is very satisfied, and a highly efficient and cost-effective scanner like this one really makes my work a lot easier and flow with the diagnosis, and helps me navigate the challenges in this industry every day.